Hello, we want to prove that the supremum of this set is equals to half. Let's look at how this can be proved. Let's write proof. Obviously, our claim is to show that this set n all over 2n plus 1 less than n all over 2n, is equal to half. And how do we get this? If you truncate 1, you have what? N all over 2n. So n cancelling n here, you have what? 1. So this will imply that half, is the upper band. Is the upper band. Is the upper band. And don't forget that the supremum of a set is the least, is the least upper band. So in this case now, we actually need an epsilon. Okay? So let's say now given an epsilon greater than 0, we shall find, that is by the definition of the supremum, S of epsilon in that set, in the set given to us, such that half minus epsilon, is less than that S of epsilon, and which is less than or equal to, this will be less than or equal to what? It will be less than or equals to half. Okay? Which will be less than or equals to half. I hope you understand that. And recall, if our set is coming from here, since the given set S is equal to n all over 2n plus 1. Now with x with respect to epsilon now, we're going to have what? Our given set now will be, since x e is from s, so our set now becomes n epsilon, that is all over 2n epsilon plus 1. So now, because we said we want to find a point x epsilon in that set given, that set x, and the set s given is n all over 2n plus 1. Actually want to find the supremum of the set. So we assume that the set s is n over 2n plus 1. Since we are considering s of epsilon from the set, so our n will change to n epsilon, and for this. And don't forget that for all this now, that is going to say for all n epsilon greater than or equals to 1. Even the upper bound we have here, that is, this is also what going to be satisfied for all n greater than or equals to 1. Now from this, from our, let's have it this way. Now from half minus epsilon less than s epsilon less than or equals to half, we have half minus epsilon less than, our set is now in this form, n epsilon all over 2n epsilon plus 1 less than or equals to half. Okay? Yes, because our s epsilon is in that set. So it will be written that way. Okay? Now, the next thing now is for all n epsilon greater than or equals to 1. So we can, unfortunately enough, since n epsilon all over 2n epsilon plus 1 is less than or equals to half, is what? Is valid. This is valid for all n epsilon greater than or equals to 1. So let's now we have this will be satisfied based on what we have gotten earlier before, that is our half is the upper band. And the supremum is lower than the upper band. So this is correct with that definition. Now let's pair the other side of it. That now half minus epsilon less than n epsilon all over 2n epsilon plus 1. So our target now is to get the value of n epsilon. Okay? So this will be what? This will be half minus epsilon all over 1 less than n epsilon all over 2n epsilon plus 1. So the LCM here, this will be 2. We have 1 minus 2 epsilon less than n epsilon all over 2n epsilon plus 1. So by the time we cross multiply, we're going to have, You are going to have 1 minus 2 epsilon, multiplied by 2n epsilon plus 1 less than 2n epsilon. So now, which by the time we expand this, you have 2n epsilon times this is plus 1 minus 4 epsilon n epsilon minus 2 epsilon less than 2n epsilon. So now we can change this. We can change this sign because our n epsilon that we are looking for now must be greater. So can I have what? That implies that 2n epsilon, greater than 2n epsilon here plus 1 minus 4 epsilon n epsilon minus 2 epsilon. So this and this will cancel out. Okay? Yes, this and this will cancel out. So this will cancel this out. So we can bring this one here and have 4 epsilon n epsilon, yes, greater than what? Greater than 1 minus 2 epsilon. So how do we now get n epsilon? So n epsilon now greater than 1 minus 2 epsilon all over 4 epsilon. That's very good. So that means for this to happen, since we have been able to get our n epsilon to be what? Positive. Since n epsilon, so clearly, n epsilon is positive, okay, and the supremum has been gotten for all what n greater than or equal to n epsilon. We have what we choose n epsilon greater than 1 minus 2 epsilon all over 4 epsilon. So now that implies that since the value we have obtained as our n epsilon is positive, it means that half remains the supremum of the given set. So that is that about that. Bye.